Hi everyone, welcome back to Swiss Home Garden. Chitra here. In this video, I would like to share with you our trip to Lucerne last winter. This was in the month of February 2020. I've been intending to share this video since a while, but somehow I forgot about it. Lucerne is one of my favorite cities in Switzerland, and I wanted to share some of the memories we had last year. We will be taking a walking tour towards Lake Lucerne and then walk on to the bridge. I didn't have a very good footage for the bridge, and so I had to omit it. And then we will walk around a little bit in the old town of Lucerne. And towards the end of the video, we will also be visiting a chocolate shop and a clock shop. Let's begin the tour. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and taking this virtual tour with me. Thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe. I post one new video every week on food from scratch, Swiss country living, gardening and natural recipes. See you in my next video. Bye bye.